David Dickson has more. It's time for your Weather on the Ones forecast.
Thanks, Nikki. It's a beautiful day throughout most of North Carolina. Plenty of sunshine, as you can see from our Durham Skycam. Bull City, not that many clouds in the air, so plenty of blue sky, plenty of sunshine, and plenty of heat. Temperatures are already up to 87 Durham, and it's going to only get hotter as the day goes on. Apex already at 90 at Wake Forest as well. Everywhere else seems to be around the same. 91 in Lumberton, and highs are only going to get higher with a high of 95 for today. But the big difference that you will feel is the dew point's very low actually. Dew point measures the amount of moisture in the air, so the higher it is, the more uncomfortable, sweltering, humid it actually feels. And we're actually in that lower range, 61 right now in Raleigh, Fayetteville at 59, so lower end, so it's going to feel pleasant and dry, and it's going to stay there for the next couple days. Mostly clear for today in Raleigh, afternoon, mid-90s, and it's going to stay clear for the rest of the day with lows in the upper 60s for tonight. Be sure to stay tuned because I'm going to tell you what's to expect for the rest of the week here and across the state.
A force of nature unlike any other, lightning is stunning to see, but it's very dangerous. Lightning strikes in the U.S. over 25 million times per year and fatally injures more Americans than both hurricanes and tornadoes.
North Carolina, depending on the ranking system, but typically North Carolina ranks in the top 5 in number of states with fatalities. This year, there are already 2 fatalities in North Carolina.
Meteorologist Jonathan Blaze and the staff at the National Weather Service in Raleigh are working to keep that number down.
We focused initially on identifying when storms would become electrified and essentially grow from a shower into a thunderstorm, or grow from a benign type of weather event to a dangerous or potentially deadly situation.
On a stormy weather day, lightning can strike up to 30,000 times in North Carolina. Research into these prolific lightning days can lead to better forecasts.
The prolific lightning days aren't always necessarily the most dangerous ones for the public because people, if there's a lot of lightning happening, people generally know to take cover. The dangerous events sometimes are where there's just 1 or 2 strikes and people are not expecting it and less prepared.
Meteorology professor Gary Lackman has worked with graduate students and National Weather Service staff using computer models, radar, and observations to better understand lightning. Their goal is more lead time for everyone to seek shelter.
The basic mantra we share with children when we do spotter outlook, when we do public safety briefings, is when thunder roars, go indoors, which is pretty simple, but basically when a thunderstorm threatens, you want to get inside a building that protects you from the lightning.